Hey Shreya, I heard you just started your co-working space. That's amazing.
Thanks, Nandini. Yeah, it's been a dream for a while, and I'm so excited it's finally happening.
That's awesome. But wait, starting something like this must have needed a good amount of investment. How did you manage it?
Well, I invested in mid-cap funds.
Mid-cap funds. What's that?
A mid-cap fund is an equity mutual fund that invests primarily in companies ranked 101 to 250 by market capitalization. These companies may be in the growing phase, possibly offering a potential for risk-adjusted returns.
That actually sounds really smart. Maybe I should start investing too.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.